No matter how I adjust the camera, it still doesn't look right. When I say bananas, you say peppers. And you guys, it has been so long, too long, so long in fact, that I almost forgot the intro for this channel. You guys, it has been wild. Also, where is my coffee? Please excuse my face. I feel like you literally know those like commercials for Benadryl and such, where they're like, do you feel like you're in an allergy induced fog and you don't remember what sunlight looks like anymore? And normally I'm like, Benadryl. No, but I feel like that. I feel like I'm in an allergy induced haze. I made a mistake of like going outside today and instantly regretted it. So yeah, also I feel like I've been like so hyper focused on making videos for my main channel this month that I feel like I've been completely neglectful across the board. It's been a week since I've put out a TikTok and I feel like there's a hole in my heart, and it's been so long since I've been on this channel. And honestly, I have filmed stuff, but I've had like so many cool sponsorship opportunities for my main channel this month that I haven't had time. And then like literally the computer that I normally use to edit Banana Peppers videos, like every single time I get to the exporting stage of exporting the video I've just edited, the computer turns itself off. It like halfway finalizes or renders the project, and then the screen just goes black and it turns itself back on. And that just doesn't sound good. It hasn't been fun. So I guess this is just like a random catch-up video. I actually have 2 videos that I'm gonna try and film today. We'll see how that goes based on my allergy induced haze, but I actually finally am about to film a time capsule unboxing. We haven't done that in forever. I've been so lost in the magical world of mini brands. So yeah, I'm about to film one of those, but oh my God, I have been wanting to open this for days now. I got something exciting. I hope it's gonna be as exciting as it looked on eBay. I got something new for TikTok, and also I thought it would just be fun for us to unbox it here together. So if you follow me on TikTok, you may know that my current favorite themes to talk about right now are Shreks. Can there be more than one Shrek? I guess Shrek has babies, so Shrek and his babies, Shreks, rats, rat people, cheese. Mostly Shreks, rats, and cheese. That's like the motif for the first part of this year has been, and I've really been enjoying it. And so I've been trying to find like some cool Shrek items, which I thought was gonna be so easy to do when I went down the path of Shrek, because I know there is just like so many horrible and amazing products, like Shrek shampoo or like conditioner or something. I don't know. I'd love to find that. Shrek loofah? Shrek loofah. Let me say that twice. Shrek, what else have I seen? I think there at one time was like Shrek perfume and Shrek something else. I don't know. So the other day, I was actually going on a quest for this weird doll that is like a Shrek baby, and it's called like the Babel Ogre or something. And I was actually looking for that. And I didn't find that, but I did find this. So right now I only have one weird, oh my God, somebody needs their lashes redone. I only have like one baby Shrek right now. And so I thought, you know, hey, I need more. I have another Shrek on the way. Doesn't that sound? I'm expecting Shrek. But yeah, that's gonna be like, he's taking, I'm having like a custom made Shrek being made. And that's gonna be a whole thing. I'm having Shrek girl summer. Anyway, so yeah, I found this weird bootleg item on eBay and I'm so excited. Let me open it and then we'll do more Shrek storytelling. Okay, so it came in this like weird shoe box. I've never seen shoes like this before, but it looks so cool. And it like is kind of giving me like early 2000s vibes, you know? And like, look at this design. I love that. It looks amazing. I don't know. C-Class? Do you guys know that brand of shoe? I don't. Ooh, that's what they looked like. Wow. now, but this box doesn't have shoes. It has Shreks. Okay, you guys take a look. What's in there? Okay, so yeah, the listing was called, and I quote, uber rare weird sofubi. I don't know if I'm saying that word right. Vinyl HTF. I finally learned that that means hard to find. Vintage baby Shrek bootleg. I think he has hair. So, I'll show you guys my other horrible bootleg. I only have one other bootleg action figure kind of thing. Let me retrieve it. Oh my god. Oh, he's missing a shoe. This guy used to hang off of my filming light. He looks like he's smelling his own armpit. He's doing an armpit check. I only have one other bootleg action figure. I really wish that this was like something that was like easier to find. I don't know why it's like so hard to find. Maybe because like brands and companies and stuff like aggressively take down bootleg action figures. But to me, this is like honestly so much cooler than like real action figures and stuff. Like I cannot even make out what kind of doll this is. Maybe it's just like a Ken or something, because honestly it's like super weird feeling, but just the suit. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. So I only have one other thing like this, so let's just take him out. He doesn't want to come out of the box. Shrek, come out of the box. Okay. Oh, there we go. Oh, I see his hair. Oh, he does have hair. Okay. We have a hairy Shrek. See, this is definitely meant to be one of the ogre babies because, oh my god, this is amazing. Oh my god. I was kind of concerned he was going to be smaller, but this is absolutely amazing. So yeah, I think it is actually supposed to be a complete bootleg of one of the dolls that I'm looking for, because I guess there was like 3 Shrek baby dolls made after Shrek the Third. I think that's the one where they get all the ogre babies. And then 2 of the dolls have hair, and then there's one that doesn't have hair, and he just looks like baby Shrek, and that's the one that I'm honestly like trying to find. So it's so funny that I found this one, but I ended up really liking him, like hair and all. But like, look at his face. He almost looks like he has like sparkly eyes. I think it's just like 3 dots of paint. So this is honestly amazing because it looks and feels like just, you know, like a cheap plastic baby doll body, and you can see that somebody just put this head on it. So that is so cool. I mean, I don't think somebody like sculpted this onto a baby doll, but maybe, because it looks a little like rough over here, but it's like smooth. It's really smooth over here. So I don't know what's happening, but the face truly says it all. So yeah, I do wish that he was like as like squishy and stuff as the reborn baby Shrek. Okay, I feel like I have to take this lash off. Oh, that one's on there. So yeah, I mean, this one obviously looks way more like Shrek, but this one I feel like I can do like more funny TikToks with because he's so like squishy, like a reborn baby, but also he's so tiny. So I'm glad that this guy is a little bit bigger, and then the next one that is like being made is gonna be like even bigger. That one is gonna be like, I'm hoping I'm finally gonna get a reborn to make those like TikToks. Have you ever seen the ones where the people like put them on those like RC cars and like drive them around and stuff? And that's the size Shrek that I need. I need a big giant Shrek, but I don't know. I love it so much, and it just looked so weird. This was one of those things where I could have like sat around and like tried to bid on it. It was like the bid price was like half the price of the buy it now price, but so many people were like looking at the listing per hour that I was like, no way. Like, I just need to buy it now, because I just felt like this would be one of those things that it would just live in my mind forever. And I didn't want to live with the haunting memory of this Shrek forever. So I went ahead and I bought it. I'm honestly so happy with it, because I don't know, it is just something about him that he looks bigger. He might actually only be 12 inches. That's what he said. That's what like the listing said, was that he was 12 inches. But doesn't he just look like bigger? He looks like he like takes up space, which is kind of what I was like hoping. It's like, but honestly, like you guys, like my decor, I feel like I need to do another like different room for like filming also sometimes, because I feel like my current decor and this new stuff that I think would be fun in the background like does not mesh well. Anyway, you guys, I feel like this is maybe the most like weirdest, pointless video I've ever made, but I just did want to share this moment with you guys here. I basically also wanted to just stop and check in because I feel like it has been so long. So I did film another Cheese Quest video and I edited that video now 2 times and all the editing has failed. It started with like one random file for a project for a video that actually at this point in time hasn't come out yet. And so I thought like just that file I was working on was corrupted, but then I did the whole Cheese Quest thing and that like I just cannot get it to export. And then what else happened? Oh yeah, I filmed a shoe unboxing. I filmed, what else have I done? I've done a lot of exciting things. I've filmed a lot. I've edited nothing. Truly amazing experience. But you guys know, I love it. I feel like this is the most chill channel ever. I just like to come here, sit, hang out, talk about any random thing that floats into my mind. And yeah, so all this fun and exciting content coming up to, I almost said a channel near you, but literally to this channel. So anyway, I'm gonna go now. I'm gonna sit here and I'm gonna try and film this right now because today is hair washing day and I'm gonna tell that story in this video. Anyway, I love you guys. Thank y'all so much for like hanging out here while there has been no content on this channel, and hopefully June shall be better. But anyway, thank y'all so much for hanging out, for spending some time with me. Everybody give baby Shrek an onion in the comments down below. Can you imagine just a comment section filled with onions? I think there is an onion emoji, right? Anyway, if you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Banana Pepper Squad today. And until I see you guys again, stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery. I love you guys so, so much, and I'll be back again very, very soon. Bye!